Big news for Huntsville. U.S. Space Command is finally relocating here. It's bringing around 1,700 high-paying jobs with it. And what does this mean for our housing market? Well, if you're buying, if you're selling, or investing in Huntsville real estate, this is the information you're going to need to make an informed decision. Huntsville has been one of the fastest growing cities in America thanks to Redstone Arsenal, NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center, and our booming tech and defense industries. Now with Space Command officially moving its headquarters here, we're entering into another major wave of growth. And in real estate, growth always brings opportunity, but it also brings competition for buyers. Here's a quick market snapshot of the current real estate market in Huntsville pre-Space Command. As of July 2025, we have around 4,600 homes for sale across the Valley MLS area. That's roughly 4.4 months worth of supply, which is considered a balanced market. It really kind of feels more like a buyer's market. Single family home prices are also holding steady at $319,900. It's basically flat year over year. However, pending sales are already up near 15% year over year, showing buyers are active and demand is starting to build. Days on market is currently at 49 days for single family homes, but that extra breathing room won't last long now that Space Command is on the way. Here's the reality: 4,600 homes available and 1,700 Space Command jobs coming in. Not everybody's going to move right away, but it's enough to put a serious dent in supply. Even if half of the workers decide to buy, that's 800 plus homes absorbed almost immediately or over the first 1 to 2 years. That could push our months of supply into the 3 months range, flipping us back into a seller's market. And that will also impact the rental market. Many families will rent first before buying, which means landlords will see lower vacancy rates and rising rents. This will also help balance back out our supply, as we currently have an oversupply of rental homes and also apartments in the area. While this is great news for sellers and investors, it does create some challenges for affordability. The Housing Affordability Index for single family homes is already at 99, which is less than that ideal number of 100, where the median household income can afford the median price ranged home. So with demand set to spike, home values will likely rise and potentially into the double digits, and first-time home buyers and lower income families will start to feel this pressure. This is something Huntsville leaders and also builders will need to start to prepare for. The bottom line, with Space Command relocating to Huntsville, we're looking at a mini housing boom, higher prices, tighter inventory, and increased competition across the board. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor, timing will be everything. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Huntsville, now's the time to start planning your strategy. Reach out to our team at Matt Curtis Real Estate. We've sold over 8,000 homes and helped thousands of families navigate this market successfully. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more updates on Huntsville, Alabama real estate and how national news will impact our local market.